welcome to the channel. I'm Mr. Gaza here with the Gaza Performance Garage. Well, today we are going to be working on our beautiful Black Cherry. Black Cherry has some lighting issues. One of her headlights, the low beam, is out and her side marker lights are blown as well. We have a nice little surprise in store for you next video. In order for you guys to see this really exciting video, thank God for supporters like you. One of our subscribers, Crafted by Angie, donated a set of wheels for this car. Guys, I hope you got this channel unlocked and hit that notification bell so whenever it comes up, you won't be able to miss it. All right, you need to see this. This is for the Toyota Celica GT4 ST205. I found out that community service does not even pay 1 cent. That sucks. It really sucks. And listen, we don't work for community service because, I know community service doesn't pay. But in order for this channel to go forward and upwards, my beautiful family members, I'm calling you family members because I need your help. And they say blood is thicker than water, and especially the car community people, we have it like this, okay? I would love for you guys to watch at least 2 ad breaks on my video because those 2 ad breaks will help to fund the channel. The funds gained from these ad breaks will help for parts and stuff. I know there's some stuff that I need to do on our beautiful Toge, but also maintenance wise and stuff like that. I'm using this YouTube channel to maintain these cars so you can know how to do it yourself. So you guys need to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Well, enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and get to the content, and we're going to go ahead and start fixing our beautiful Black Cherry. Let's go ahead and get to work. Here we're just warming up our beautiful Black Cherry. Magnificent sound of that 2JZ preset. Gotta warm her up. Oh, what a beautiful car. Toge, amazing vehicle. All right. What we're going to try to do here in order to get a lot of this side is okay. Right here is good for clearance to get to the back side of the headlight change out area. Let me grab a light. That gray color cap right here, that cap is the back cover for the headlights and actually the headlight bulbs, and that's where we got to open up. And we're going to do a little polishing of the headlamps. They're a little bit oxidized. I got to polish that out. It's going to be brand new by the time I finish them. And we got to change that small LED that's right there on both sides or delete it because it's flickering right now, and it's pretty dangerous if you go behind a cop and those lights are flashing. Not good. You attract a lot of unwanted attention. This area right here, the cap, you can reach the cap here too. So thank God it's not that hard to change out the bulb. Yep, the beautiful 2JZ GTE. And this is my daily. I drive this to work and back. I gotta wash her. I gotta make sure I take good care of this car because it's here to, you gotta take good care of this car. After which, I'm gonna change out these side marker lights. I am going to replace them with the Z30 side marker lights from Z30 Concept. Never thought that these would fit my car from 1997 up to 2005. These lights fit perfectly from a 1995 Z30.
Loving what you see? Then you need to hit that subscribe button. Hey there, don't miss out on our awesome content. If you're enjoying this video, tap that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support means the world to us and helps make our videos even better. Joining our community is super easy and totally free. Plus, you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos. Imagine never missing another fun, informative, or downright hilarious moment. Sounds great, right? So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the family.
Okay, fam, we're here, and let me put some light on this. I'm going to try to work on this area right here, and there's a lot of sharp plastic. Try to get some gloves to work with, because the gloves will actually help you from get a better grip and prevent you from getting cut. Note that the tabs are pointing downwards, these like rectangular tabs. Make sure when you have it back installed, make sure they're in the right position. Okay, it's off, and it says it here on the back side of it, the position to open and close it. This is weird. Take off my hat for this one. Yeah, we got some metal tabs on each end for a metal cover. Let's go ahead and take those off. I guess it's important to have this like a little metal cover, metal tab. Put this away. All right. And here's the bulb. Weird. Be careful. Okay, I have to pull it off first. Like pull it out, and then I can remove the bulb. It's a twist and lock. Let me see here. Yeah. All right. cracked, broken. As you can see right here, I didn't do this just a while ago. It virtually exploded. And the way it goes in is that the plug that's on the back, it twists in to lock. So that's what we're gonna do, to do a twisty.
Fam, welcome back. This is the D2S halogen bulb or HID bulb that we will be installing now into the car. The car originally came with a D2R. D2R basically has less notches on the side, but the D2S has all of the notches that it can basically adapt to all the settings.
Oh, I failed to mention that this is the 6K bulb, which is close to a diamond white, but this is like the ultra clear. Pretty good. It will work. It will work. I see where the tabs are, where I gotta put it. So the tab is on the top. So I gotta do it like this. What I'm gonna do, put the tab on the top. You always wear gloves when you're installing these kind of bulbs because fingerprints can actually cause it to crack. Try not to scratch this shit. Alright. Let me go ahead and install it without. These are on the back for the support. All right. All right. See, this is what we got. This is what we have. You see how it has the same foundation, the same, the same everything. This is the real deal, guys. Real deal. Real freaking deal. Water contamination. Look at this shit. It's corrosion at its best right here. All right, and I'm gonna put it in.
Well, it's all screwed up and mounted. There had to be a little modification on the bumper in order for it to fit. These bulbs are actually shorter and thicker versus the one that came with the car. It's longer and thinner, but they still look good. Look at this golden yellow. I'm doing a voiceover right now because the compressor is on in the garage. And it's amazing how it looks. It looks better than the stock one that it came with. You gotta love Z30 Concepts. Their products are amazing. Gotta give them a shout out later on.
All right, my friends. So here we have the lights from the Z30, and this is the lights from the Lexus GS300. This is slightly narrow and longer. This fat and short. And it still bolts up. It still bolts up. It actually looks better than the way how these lights are. And turn the lights. As you can see, marvelous indeed. Nice and clean. Look at these side markers. Golden yellow. Golden yellow. This is not a high beam. This is actually a side marker bulb, LED bulb that's inside of the high beam casing. But this is a 6K bulb. I should have gotten the 8K to match with that. But this is actually OEM. We want to make it look as classic as possible. Can you hear the amazing sound of the 2JZ GTE VVTi? This car is a beast. That's a 3-inch exhaust system coming from the turbos, the twin turbos, straight down, split into 2 3/4, coming out of some really nice, tasteful exhaust drums. This is the ultimate sound of a 2JZ. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today was a really good day. We worked on our beautiful black cherry. We restored her headlights. We cleaned her lenses, and we installed some beautiful side markers from Z30 Concepts. I bought these from Z30 Concept, but I still want to give Z30 Concepts a mad shout out for making beautiful, beautiful parts like this that you can't find anywhere. The side marker lights were shorter than the original GS300. These are shorter and wider, but the GS300s, they are longer and narrow, but still it worked and it looks really dope. Really dope. I don't know of anyone that makes LED bulbs for these cars. I don't know anyone. So I choose to go the way that I know I can go with Z30 Concepts because they are the best. You really got to check them out. All of their stuff are real cool. Carbon fiber, dry carbon fiber, and all of that crazy stuff. But guys, listen, my beautiful family members, it's very important that you hit that subscribe button. And also, please watch at least 2 ad breaks on this video. It is very important. I know this is to the end, but if you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching today's show. And with that said, peace, love, and happiness. I'm Mr. Gaza, bugging out.
List needs a refresh? You're in luck. Check this out. I've got 2 brand new videos just for you. Dive in, enjoy, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the comments.